Here in this case we just quickly check the side road just to make sure there is no kid on a bike or something like that.
Okay, do I have...
move. Okay. It's okay.
Let's see.
Meeting zone. 20 speed limit.
Yes.
And all the pedestrians have priority.
Here, yes.
So if someone wants to cross, check your mirror. No, it's very good. You can go all the way to the yield. Looks good. Blind spot check. Blind spot check is to the right then in that situation because you're turning to the right.
Okay.
You want to make sure that there is no bike next to you.
Okay.
Before you leave the roundabout.
I should have checked from this side?
Yes, exactly.
Oh my God.
Whenever you are going to the left somewhere, when you, for example, if you would turn left here, you check on the left hand side, but when you turn to the right, you check on that side.
Okay.
Yes. Next turn right.
Here I don't have to signal because this is the only road.
You can turn left as well.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Here turn left.
Okay,
Slow
and
down.
here they have right?
Yes, you have a give way line here.
Okay.
So you have to check both sides, left and right. If it's okay, you can move off. Very good.
He has right to pass?
No, but I think he gave him a sign.
Okay. Yeah, I could have passed, but okay, yeah.
Wait.
Better be safe. I will actually check at home this box that you gave me to see what is there. I think once I learn some rules, then I will. For me, it's very important to reduce this anxiety because, it blocks my thinking sometimes. You know.
Oops, no problem. Take the second exit.
Okay.
To the left.
So I check the blind spot when I enter the...
No, when you exit. I will tell you when. I will tell you when.
This is first.
Now the indicator.
This here I should take? No.
This one.
Okay, yeah.
Then now the blind spot.
I don't know. I'm not sure if I checked anything, to be honest.
It was a bit too long and a bit too late, but it's okay. We can practice that again at the next roundabout.
Okay.
Let's go straight ahead again.
I should look back.
Yes, over your shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah. Second exit.